All right, guys, welcome back to another drawing practice segment with the browser. I'm going to show you real quick how to do some mouth shapes, okay? So I know these look complicated, right? Again, what I'm going to do is break these down so you can understand it over here. Remember that everything in caricature is always about shapes, okay? Now, this shape, which I believe is called a hexagon, very powerful mouth shape. And it's the basis of every mouth shape that you can see, okay? So in simple terms, let's take any one of these mouths. Let's take this mouth here, okay? All I'm doing is taking this shape and I'm doing like this. Okay, so you can see this translates to this. Now I can change this shape and smooth it out a little bit more, right? Where I don't have as defined as an edge here, like a shape here. I can also take this same shape and I can flip it upside down. Okay, and I can make another mouth shape. Get it? All right, now this shape here is the same thing, right? You can take it and you can add, let's say you want to use, do a shape like this. Okay, watch. And you're simply cutting out what you don't need to form the mouth shape. Okay, so remember this hexagon shape is very powerful. The only difference, once again, is you think geometry first, which is something with a lot of hard edges on it, but then you smooth it out. And the cool thing about it, let's say you want to do something like an exaggeration. Look at this mouth right here again. Let's exaggerate this shape. Now we know what we're doing. You can say, look, what if this person's nose was right here and we wanted to make them have a, right, same shape. And now you have a cartoon mouth, right? And this is not about drawing teeth and all that. We'll get into that in a whole other video. But we're talking about you really only need to capture this in a little bit, you know, of the teeth shape like this. You can do it like that. Right? But it makes really cool mouths to do it this way, okay? So remember again, hexagon shape translates to mouth shape. No matter what mouth you're drawing, you just take a piece of this, cut it away. Watch this. So I'm gonna take this shape here. I'm gonna bring it down here. Okay. See what I'm saying? So now the mouth looks like a different kind of mouth, right? Actually, I kind of messed that one up, but let me go ahead and do this one. I'm supposed to do like this. There we go. Okay. But you see how it kind of makes another shape right here. Okay. And that was not really messed up. It's actually, yeah. So you can do all kind of mouth shapes with this. So that's how you draw a mouth. I hope that helped you. Have a blessed and awesome day. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next drawing tutorial.
Hello there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, you did? Well then, you see that subscribe button below? Push it. And after, push the bell icon next to it and select the all option. Then you will get notifications of all new uploaded videos and when I go live. Oh yeah. So thanks for watching and subscribing, and check out these other videos for more cool stuff. Have a great day and happy penciling.